Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I will tell you if you have no network in your PC, your router is on and you are not getting Wi-Fi. So yes, you have to refresh your PC one or two times. Right click on this option and now click on open network as internet setting. If you not updated your PC, so you have to first go in control panel and choose change adapter option. Now yes, you have to see this. If you have disabled, click on enable. So yes, after enabling you can see, wait, so yes, you can see my net is going well. Method 2. So guys, if you are facing connection problem also, yes, you have to right click on start and you can see here device manager. Click on device manager and yes, this will be open and click on network adapters. If you are not showing network here, so yes, you have to click here like scan for hardware changes. Yes, click on scan. Now yes, you can see here a problem in, if you facing up like a sign like this, so yes, you have to update your all drivers and yes, you have to update your all drivers. Yes, if you are facing like problem this, now you have to uninstall the driver again. Yes, this, yes guys, this driver is, now you have to click on search. Now yes, you have to update and yes, installing drivers. Click on close and refresh, click F5 and yes, you can see here my network connection is done. Method 3. If your network is not working properly, you have to buy this device. This device name is Wi-Fi adapter. So yes, I will show you price of Wi-Fi adapter. Yes, you have to open your browser or anything in your mobile phone. Now you have to plug this device in your CPU or laptop USB port. After plugging this, you have to refresh one or two times. If you are not getting like a network, yes, you have to right click or left click. So yes, this is my router name. Click on connect. You have to enter your password here. After entering your password, click on next. So yes, it will take a little bit time. This device around is 500 rupees cost. So yes guys, you can see we are seeing like a Wi-Fi and yes, you can open our YouTube, Brave, Google Meet, anything.